Okay, hello. So this video is going to show you how to make it able to make your screen touchscreen. So right now, you guys can see I can't touch it. It's not touchscreen. So on your Promethean board on the side, you'll have a cord, and it was wrapped up. Obviously mine's untangled now because I just used it. But it's going to be on one of the touch buttons. So you see how you guys can see right there, it says touch 3. Touch 3. Mine is connected to touch 2, and then it's probably just wrapped up right here, so you need to unwrap it. So make sure that it is connected into your touch 2, and then the other end of the cord, let me get it, is a looks like this. Right, I'm pretty sure it's a USB. Honestly, I don't remember. And so you're going to plug it in to your screen. If I can get it plugged in. All right, so now it's all plugged in. And then what you want to do now, let me set this up so you guys can see the screen. So what you want to do now, if I come over here, see how it's still not touch? That's because you need to move your cursor on your laptop over to this screen because I don't have it mirrored. So I'm going to move now you can see my cursor, right? And I'm going to click. I just want to click anywhere on this screen. So now I'm on this screen, so I can do the touch. So I have all the different touch. And I did want to show you guys how to take attendance. I found it a lot faster to do on here with just touch. So I came over here, I blocked out the student's name so you can see it. But all my students were here today in the class. So I just go through and I quickly click on my ones. And then I come through on this side. And then you can scroll down, which this one over here. Let me scroll down. Normally I have my screen like a lot bigger, but just to keep the kids' names kind of covered, I just did this way. So I just quickly go down, and honestly, I found this a lot faster than clicking with my cursor. So you could take attendance. You could come to your assignments. That's right here. And you could broadcast it that way, and you could be able to touch. If you do want to annotate while you're touching, you can always click this and click your annotate tool, and then move this over to the side. And now I can click my little tools and then write and use that way. But I'm going to actually exit out of that. So that is how you make your screen touch. It's pretty cool. I really like it. It makes it interactive, which was really what I wanted.